To add a Fibonacci retracement on tntrader, begin by opening the market and chart you want to analyze. It is usually helpful to choose a time frame that clearly shows the price movement you are examining, as the tool needs a defined swing high and swing low. Open the Drawing Tools menu and select Fibonacci retracement. The tool can now be positioned across the price movement you want to measure. When analyzing an upward move, place the first point at the swing low where the movement began. Extend the tool to the swing high where the market started to pull back. For a downward move, reverse the process by drawing from the swing high to the swing low. Once placed, the Fibonacci levels will appear between the two selected points. Common levels include 23.6%, 38.2%, 50%, and 61.8%. These represent different proportions of the original price movement and can help identify areas where a retracement may pause or attract attention. The levels should not be treated as guaranteed reversal points. Instead, they highlight potential areas of support during an uptrend or resistance during a downtrend. A trader might then compare the price reaction at these levels with the wider trend, previous highs and lows, candlestick behaviour, or other forms of technical analysis. If the tool does not align accurately with the movement, select it and adjust either anchor point. The first and second points should remain attached to the exact swing low and swing high being measured. This is important because moving either point changes every retracement level. The tool's appearance and settings can also be adjusted after it has been added. Depending on the available options, you can change which Fibonacci levels are displayed, modify the line style or labels, and reposition the drawing without creating a new one. To remove the retracement, select the drawing and use the delete option. You can also leave it in place while changing time frames to examine how the same price movement appears in greater or less detail. The Fibonacci retracement tool does not predict what the market will do next. Its purpose is to organize price movements into clearly defined reference levels, helping you assess when a pullback may become more relevant within the broader market structure.